Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to export chats in Discord. So let's get started. At first go to Discord and we need to search this dsd.chylex.com in any browser and scroll down and choose your browser over here and click on Violent Monkey if it's your Chrome. Now choose your browser. Now click on Add to Chrome. Now add extension. So now press this and get back to Discord. Now get back. Now click on Install User Script. Now click on Confirm Installation. Now you can cross this. Go to Discord. Open the chat you want to export. Load this again. So now we need to log in to our Discord. So scan this code from your mobile and log in. So now get into your chat. And in the right side we can see this DST written over here. Let's tap on this and click somewhere outside. And down we can see this Start Tracking and click on Download. Now save this and click on Save. Now we need to get back to Discord History Tracker. Now scroll down and click on Viewer. Now click on Load File. Now open the recent file. So here it is and click on Open. Now click on this and here you can see your Discord chat over here. So this is how we can export chat in Discord. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.